Welcome back, passenger owners. So as you know, you've seen the drop test, the build card, but now I want to know if the build card is bulletproof. So let's check it out.
Wow.
So to answer your question, guys, I'm sorry, but the build card is not bulletproof.
Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when a new video comes out. If you know anyone that may find this information helpful, please share this video with them. Lastly, if you're interested in applying for a new credit card, I did include some referral links in the description below. If you use one of my links, it would definitely help out the channel. Till next time, keep traveling with plastic.